Hallo Leute, herzlich willkommen bei Study German. I know I have been MIA for past 2 weeks. I haven't uploaded anything, and that's just because I was busy with my final year exams. I just completed my exams. It's such a relief, but I was not happy that I couldn't upload any video for 2 weeks. So I thought, why not do some bonus videos for this month? So I have planned a lot of bonus videos. This is just the sneak peek of one of the bonus video which I'll be putting tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And that's just the reason I am in this chilly outfit. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Our today's topic is how to order coffee in German language. But we are not just going to order coffee, but a lot of drinks. Now, imagine you have entered into a coffee shop, you just check the menu, and now you want to order. So you can start by Ich möchte. Ich möchte. It means I would like to. So for example, Ich möchte einen Kaffee bitte. Ich möchte einen Kaffee bitte. So for coffee, we say Kaffee. The article is der. Coffee is masculine. So when I want to say I would like one coffee please, I would say einen Kaffee. Der changed into einen Kaffee. This is just a grammar part where the definite article changes into indefinite article. We don't need to go in detail regarding this in this video, but I will surely put another video for this grammar topic, so stay tuned for that. So, ich möchte einen Kaffee bitte. You can also say, ich hätte gerne einen Kaffee bitte. Let's break it down. Ich hätte gerne einen Kaffee bitte. Ich hätte gerne einen Kaffee bitte. It just means same, I would like to have a coffee please. Let's see some more alternatives. So you can say Ich möchte, which remains common, einen Kaffee mit Milch bitte. Einen Kaffee mit Milch bitte. Milch means milk and mit means with. So I would like a coffee with milk please. Or ich hätte gerne einen Kaffee mit Sahne bitte. Sahne means cream. Or you can say ich möchte or ich hätte gern einen Tee bitte. Einen Tee bitte. Tee means tea. We can also say einen Zitronentee bitte. Einen Zitronentee bitte. It means a lemon tea please. Or einen Eistee bitte. Einen Eistee bitte. Or the most popular drink, einen Cappuccino bitte. Einen Cappuccino bitte. Or simply einen Espresso bitte. Einen Espresso bitte. If you have observed, I used einen for every single drink. That is because all the drinks we did up till now were masculine. So for all the drinks, the article will be der. Let's see some more drinks. For example, ich hätte gerne einen Apfelsaft. Ich hätte gerne einen Apfelsaft. Apfelsaft, apple juice. Apfel means apple, Saft means juice. So instead of Apfelsaft, we can also say einen Orangensaft. Einen Orangensaft. Or the most popular drink in Germany, ein Bier. Ein Bier. Although I don't think you will get beer in coffee shop, but I just wanted to include it in this video. So ein Bier bitte. So the small change I used ein instead of einen. That's because the article for beer is das. It means beer is neutral. One more drink which you won't get in a coffee shop, but I think you should know is einen Wein bitte. Einen Wein bitte. A wine please. Let's take it up a notch. Eine Flasche Wein bitte. Eine Flasche Wein bitte. Flasche means bottle. So if you have again observed, I used eine. That's because Flasche is feminine. The article is die Flasche. So that's why eine. So I think we used all three genders, that is masculine, feminine and neutral. I'd put the picture on the screen of the indefinite articles, but we will sure go in much detail very soon. Now let's see some more specification. When you say wine, you can say Rotwein or Weißwein. Your option. Rotwein, Weißwein, red wine or white wine. And lastly, eine Flasche Wasser bitte. Eine Flasche Wasser bitte. A bottle of water please. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we are going to have a lot of videos this week, so stay tuned for that. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll meet you tomorrow with a very interesting video. Until then, cheers.